Hey there, fellow adventurers! Carolyn here, and I'm thrilled to be your guide today as we delve into the world of savvy travel tips and tricks. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your very first trip abroad, we've all been there. Those little hiccups along the way that can turn a relaxing vacation into a stressful ordeal. But fear not, my friends, because in this video, I'm sharing some insider secrets, those aha moments that can make all the difference when you're navigating the exciting, sometimes unpredictable world of travel. By incorporating these unconventional yet practical tips into your travel routine, you can navigate your journeys with greater ease and confidence. Now buckle up, grab your passport, and get ready to unlock a treasure chest of travel hacks that will have you exploring the world like a pro in no time. Ever feel that pang of anxiety when your luggage disappears onto the baggage carousel, seemingly lost in a sea of suitcases? Well, worry no more. Before you check that bag, let's give it a little photo shoot. Snap a clear photo of your luggage. It's like giving it a unique ID in case it decides to take an unexpected detour. Keep your clean clothes smelling fresh and your suitcase organized with a simple travel essential, a dedicated laundry bag. Digital documents, your backup in the cloud. Don't let lost documents ruin your trip. Scan your passport, Idaho and itinerary, those all-important travel companions, and store them securely in the cloud. Step up your travel safety game. For my fellow American travelers, here's a tip you don't want to miss. Register with the Smart Traveler Enrollment Program, STEP, before you go. Book direct. Skip the middleman. When it comes to booking flights, I always recommend going straight to the source. Book directly with the airline to simplify any changes or cancellations. Don't let tight layovers turn into missed connections. Opt for longer layovers, those hidden gems that give you a chance to catch your breath. Want to increase your chances of an on-time departure? Choose those early morning flights. They're less likely to be affected by delays and offer more rebooking options. Here's a fun one. Use your shoe as a reminder. Place one shoe in your hotel safe along with your valuables. Some airports now offer the option to reserve security time slots. Check if your departure airport provides this service and breeze through security like a VIP. Turn those long layovers into mini adventures. Airlines like Qatar and Singapore Airlines offer extended layover programs with discounted or even complimentary hotel stays. While it's tempting to connect to that free public Wi-Fi, be cautious about accessing sensitive information. Airplane cabins are notorious for their dry air, so stay hydrated and keep your skin happy. Always pack your essential medications in your carry-on bag, along with copies of your prescriptions. And there you have it, a treasure trove of travel hacks to make your journeys smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, a little planning and preparation can go a long way in preventing those travel hiccups that we all dread. Incorporate these tips into your travel routine to ensure a smoother, more enjoyable journey. From packing smarter and staying organized to navigating airports like a pro and staying safe on the go, these simple yet effective strategies will empower you to embrace the unexpected and savor every moment of your adventures. So, go forth, explore, discover, and create unforgettable memories. Safe travels!